Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Offense. I would like to take this time and welcome you all to Trendlines Trader. This is a YouTube channel where we do our daily analysis. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm having some distractions on our channel, on our live stream, but I want to say this: nothing will distract me today. I will keep on fighting for this live stream to be or to happen. I'm not gonna allow anything to really distract me today. I'm pushing this, and I'm wearing Trick Soccer's t-shirt. I hope you guys can see the spelling. This is Trick Soccer. Let me do this thing. Let me take this moment and advertise. This is DJ Tricks Walker's t-shirt. I hope you are able to see it. Let me hold it like this. Oopsie. Yeah, advertising. Is it visible? Is it that visible? I hope it's visible. Ladies and gentlemen. I hope you can see Tricks Walker's t-shirt. But anyway, don't worry. I'll try to get a proper advertisement for this. But anyway, let's go to the trade. Let's go to the charts. And see our instruments. Yeah, things we do for money. Yeah, I'm trying my best to push, man. It's live streams, it's YouTube daily analysis YouTube channel, and my daily analysis trading forex. Hey, life is not giving us lemon juice. We have to take that or those lemons and create lemon juice for ourselves. Whenever life throw bricks at you, just take those bricks and build a wall against, so that you can have a wall against any negativity, any distraction that comes along with life. Just try by all means for you to block distractions. I'm not gonna wait for distractions. I'm not gonna take any distractions today. I'm gonna push this thing and it's gonna happen. Ladies and gentlemen, yesterday we had this type of trades where the price actually it sold from there. The price was selling from this level. As you can see, the price respected the level and it was the support here. The price found the support at this level, and yesterday it managed to find the resistance. It was support and resistance structure that we traded yesterday, because the price didn't reach our diagonal resistance there. So we had to trade support and resistance structure. If you can see, or if you have a strategy, use all different strategies that you have for you to be able to monetize on your trades. I hope that makes sense. One thing that I want you guys to be aware of, we've been having this bearish channel that you can see, where the price has been making this type of moves, and this seems like it's a breakout. But I want you to be aware of something. When we look at our left side, the price is, or the institutional traders, those moneyed traders, big banks and whatever, they can control or manipulate the price to go, it's either their direction or to go against them, just for them to collect the liquidity that is around this such levels. Why I'm saying this, there was a liquidity around this level and this could be a fake out, it's because whenever the price was around this level, the demand area, the price was respecting this level. What did the buyers do? The buyers opened their buying positions, their buying trades. The buyers entered, many buyers entered around this level, and they placed their stop loss at this level, just at the tip of the wink there, or that candle there. So the big money traders, what do? They won't hesitate to take that money, man. They won't hesitate. Let me do this. There's something that I don't like. There is C. Okay. All right. Remember, I said I'm a producer and an anchor of the live stream, so whatever is happening, I just have to check out exactly what is going on. Just a second, I want to grab the laptop here. There we go. So the big money traders, they push the price towards the downside to collect this liquidity. And one thing that I can tell you, the price just broke back inside our bearish trend. Now we might see the price pushing towards the upside. I hope this makes sense. I hope this makes sense to you guys. Just wanted to switch this on. The producer and the anchor at the same time. Oh, and also the trader. Too much, ne? Yeah, too much. Ladies and gentlemen, please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. If you find this content informative for you, please do like and subscribe. And don't forget that notification bell next to the subscribe button, so that you can be notified every time I do the live streams or I upload a video. So ladies and gentlemen, let's go to the lower time frame so that you can be able to understand what is happening here. You can see these blue bullish candlesticks. This is this candlestick is called doji candlestick or undecided. The price is undecided. You can see they are still trying to negotiate to go upside, or it's still trying to negotiate to push towards the downside. It's an undecided candlestick. Ladies and gentlemen, please don't hesitate or don't waste time with your Netflix series and not watching all those things, but you're not familiar with your candlesticks. Just buy a book or download or buy ebook and read your candlesticks, know your candlesticks, know your chart patterns, or you can even go through some YouTube channels where they do your lessons of candlestick, where they do your candlestick lessons, and watch those, man. Just spend time online watching or learning. Don't spend time online doing something like series, watching series, and yeah, you can watch them some other time. Yeah, it's fine, but make sure you spend more time trying to learn. If you are really into this trading industry, just try to spend more time trying to learn and see where you are, where you can able to. All right, I wanted to check this while I was talking, okay, while I was having that motivational. So ladies and gentlemen, we had this type of news today. We can see that our news were very positive, both news that we had. Remember, I'm only looking at the volatile news. I only do high volatile news. I don't like to do those moderated volatile news. So when we look at the crude oil investors, you can see here, let me delete this. Okay, it's gonna take some time. Let's see the chart, what is happening in 1 hourly time frame. Let's see something. I wanna see something. Something. We can see there's a little bit of rejection there. Look at this. Can you guys see what I see here? Do you see what I see? Ladies and gentlemen, look at this. Our price just presented us with this type of resistance. It's respecting this level, it seems like. So what is gonna happen? We just have to wait and see if our price break. Okay, made a mistake, I forgot I changed. We just have to wait and see if our price break this diagonal resistance. You can see it gave us a descending wedge type of vibe, descending triangle type of chart pattern. So if it break out of this, we just gonna wait for the retest and place our buy just after the price retested this diagonal resistance. It might happen today, just before the closing bell or the closing session. We could have something like this. I hope this makes sense to you guys. The price seems very volatile. It seems very volatile. It's Wednesday today, and it's a holiday in South Africa, but we're not trading your South African currency, your South African companies. We're not trading those at the moment. We're still focusing on the US, dealing with the dollars. So we just have to wait if it's gonna respect this area. I can see that it's creating the, what you call this, the support there. It's creating the support. So remember that the doji that I showed you on a bigger time frame. This is the doji. There's two candlesticks. They are the one that are forming the doji. So we just have to wait and see. Actually, it's just this one included though, so because this is 1 hour, 2 hour, or this is the first, the second, third, fourth hour around here that are creating the 4 hour time frame. When we are looking at the 4 hour time frame, in that 4 hour time frame, we have 1 hour time frame that we are trading. We have 4 hours actually, and now we are looking at the 4th hour. So this was our first, second. Let me do this. I believe it's not visible. I believe this is not visible. Let me do this so that you guys can be able to understand me nicely. Let me just zoom in. Look, in 4 hour time frame, we have 4 hours, which means at the moment we are looking at the 4th hour. Hence we are left with 45 minutes for the candle to close. We are left with 45 minutes for this candle to close. Does that make sense? So this is our first hour, second hour, third hour, fourth hour. Does that make sense? Some of things that we deal with daily. So I'm trying by all means to make you guys aware of this type of lessons. So at the moment, let me erase this. So at the moment, the price is giving us a support. and you can see this type of candlestick here. It's a rejection. Look at this wicks that are just below this support area. So at the moment the price shows us that it's respecting this level. This is our respected okay, let me not waste time. You know what I'm gonna do? Just have to write your S, the support, resistance, not resistance, it's a support. This area, it's a demand area. So we just have to wait and see if the price will break this diagonal resistance. If the price breaks it, it's gonna give us a retest before we say now we can push towards the upside. But some traders, there are traders who just jump in the market right from this level. So traders like me and you with the small accounts, let's not try to jump in the market like that. Nah, just wait for the price to break, just wait for this and retest, then you can see we're gonna push towards the upside with all right that price. I hope that makes sense. You won't believe that I got the message on WhatsApp that it says, my trader, why are you sitting on a cam chair as a trader? One thing that I can let you know is that the cam chair is the most comfortable chair that I found this very comfortable, man, as I am sitting in front of my television and the laptops. So the cam chair is more comfortable. If I have to bring a chair is higher than this, I'm gonna be sitting like this, going on like this, trading like this. Anyway, let's not focus on my equipments. Don't worry, in future I'll try to find something higher than this and then set up or renovate the office. So at the moment, let's use what we have. Don't allow any distractions. Let me go to the lower time frame and be able to see where is our price going at the moment. You can see there's a lot of rejection there. But the sellers are trying by all means to push that price, but the buyers are refusing. The buyers are saying no, not today. Excuse me. Let me go to the lower time frame and see something. This is 1 hour. Let's go to your 15 minutes. Do you see there is a lot of rejection candlesticks? The sellers wants to push the price lower and lower, but the buyers are saying no, not today. I'm trying to check out something here, and this is taking long. Let's see how many minutes left. This is 15 minutes time frame, and we are left with 9 minutes for that candlestick to close. If it closes above our support here, clearly we are having a bullish, or it's gonna be a bullish trend. We are having a demand area because this area has been respected for a couple of times. But one thing that I'm afraid of is, what if the price managed to break this area? Does it mean we will continue with the selling positions, or we are going to go with the buying positions? So no distractions today, ladies and gentlemen. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and please don't forget to like the video so that the video can be pushed or promoted to reach other traders, even the beginners who would like to use this information. So ladies and gentlemen, let's try by all means to like, subscribe, and share with our friends, because this is for this for this channel to grow, we have to promote it or share it with our friends and family members. And please don't forget to comment. Can you please comment with anything that is in your mind for now? If you like what you see, let me know. If you don't like what you see, still let me know, so that we can be able to improve wherever we are making the mistakes, or wherever we are losing the the direction. So just please do us a favor there, comment, and we will respond. We like the comments, bruh. We like the comments here. We like the comments. Let's grow the channel together, bruh. Let's go grow this channel. If you see something negative about the channel, just comment there so that we can correct, instead of going around and having this type of chat by saying, trend lines trader, what that won't help us. What will help us is you commenting. And yeah, let me try to scalp here. Let me go to the lower time frame and be able to see the 5 minutes time frame. Let's see something if we have to scalp. I hope you see what is happening here. Let me delete this. I hope you guys see what is happening here. Look at this. It's happening for now. I'm doing this for you guys to be able to have an idea of what trade we could have. If the price break this flag pattern, we go into push towards the upside. Does it look like a flag pattern? If the price breaks this flag pattern, we are pushing. Remember, flag pattern is the sign of a continuation. Let's see. Allow me to go to your Google and see flag pattern. Flag, actually, okay. Investopedia. I was thinking of going to Investopedia about that, but it's fine. It's fine. Let's push. We can do this. So what is a flag pattern? In the context of technical analysis, a flag is a price pattern that in a shorter time frame moves counter to the prevailing price trend observed in the longer time frame. on a price chart. Come again, I'm lost. Moves counter to the prevailing price trend observed in a longer time frame on a price chart. It is named because of the way it reminds the viewer of a flag on a flagpole. I hope that makes sense to you guys. Let's look at something here. I want to see. Excuse me, I want you guys to also see the image of this flag pattern. These are the types of the flag patterns that we come across. This is a bullish flag pattern that I have been trying to show you guys. I hope you can see it right here. This is the bullish flag pattern, exactly full bullish flag pattern. You have to Google this type of, or even continue to Google them so that you can have an idea what is happening in your chart. So this is what I see, the flag pattern that we just Googled. So we're gonna see our price pushing towards the upside. Just wait for it to play around. Just wait for the price to give us that flag pattern type, and we will see it pushing towards the upside. I hope this makes sense, this flag pattern. Let's see our 15-minute time frame. Maybe in 15-minute time frame it's same. Oh, I had to delete that first. In a 15-minute time frame, we can see that we are having your rejection candlesticks, and this is a doji that is for me, but it seems like it's gonna change. Why am I not? This is old, bruh. Remove it. It's no longer necessary. Okay, at the moment we are having this doji candlestick, and it's left with 1 minute 40 seconds 50 seconds for it to close. So another thing, we can still check with our, let's check with our CNBC. Let's check with our CNBC. Where is the news? Not the news, man. The companies, if they are bullish or bearish, because usually I'll be saying markets. Okay, this seems to take so long. Let's wait and see. The price is still playing around this level. We just have to look at our time there. It's 29 minutes after 5 p.m. in South Africa time, and 29 minutes after, is it 11? Yes, that's 11 in the US time. Why is this taking long, man? Let's check the US there. Please, ladies and gentlemen, please don't forget to subscribe, those who haven't subscribed, and like the video. In the meantime, let's look our gold and see what is happening. I didn't check the DXY today. Your US dollar index. Let's look at gold. This is something that I was talking about in previous days. Actually, yesterday was Monday. Ne? I was saying that whenever gold is bearish, you will find your NASDAQ bullish. They are not correlating as much as gold and as much as NASDAQ and US30. I wanted to delete this. This is the 5 minute time frame. Let's go to the higher time frames for us to be able to make those analysis, gold analysis. Look at how gold was bearish today. And you can see the flag pattern that I have been preaching. For the price to be so bearish. Look at this. Let's move. Reset. My laptop is running slow now. I'm gonna close all this. So remember previously we did analysis of gold. I want to remove this, man. And you can see this. If we place our trend line here, we can see that gold has been giving us, let's go to the line chart and see. It's been giving us this bearish trend. One thing I can tell you, we will have to see if gold is coming closer towards the trend line and push towards the downside. It just broke out of this demand area. Maybe I should do this for you so that you can understand. Let me use it like this. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you are able to witness this level, that the price was respecting this level, and now the price is breaking out of this level here, the support area that was presented to us. What we have to do is to wait for the price to reach our diagonal resistance before it pushed towards the downside. I don't know if you guys trade gold, but if you're not trading gold, just go through it and get the idea of what is happening in the market. Whenever gold is bearish, you will find your DXY bullish. No, gold and DXY do correlate. Now let's go to DXY and prove this point. Don't have to say something if it confuses you. Just find something that will make you. Let's go to DXY. Gold and DXY, yeah, not correlating. Whenever it's bearish, your DXY is bullish. Yes, as you can see, DXY is your US dollar currency index name. You see it's bullish because gold is opposite. Yeah, it's opposite. Gold is pushing towards the downside. And another thing that you guys might not know, let me plug you. DXY, your dollar index is bullish. You will find some currencies being bearish. Currencies like your EU, it's Euro USD. this pair will always be bearish. It correlates with gold. I hope you guys have that information. Keep it in mind. Not just EU, also GU. So what do you have to do? This is what I'm talking about. When dollar is bullish, GU, EU, they are bearish. So what you can do, you just have to go through dollar index. Go through your dollar index and look at, or make the analysis about your dollar index, so that you can have a clear idea of what will happen with the trades. How will you take the trades on your currencies? excuse me. And if you want to make trade the dollar currencies, your EU and GU currencies, you just have to go through your DXY, your dollar index, and look at how it's behaving for that day and push towards the upside. Look at this EU, man. Let me place these. Okay, I'm gonna change it just now. Don't like it like this. This is how I prefer it. Templates, yeah, not a demand. Let me do it like this for now. It was a previous demand, but it's far from the price. Doesn't have to bother us. It's far from the price. So this is what I want you guys to see again. Let's go to a daily time frame of this EU. Excuse me. Look at this chart, ladies and gentlemen. I hope it makes sense. Please, ladies and gentlemen, those who haven't subscribed to Trendlines Trader YouTube channel, please do so. This is a YouTube channel where we do our daily analysis, and sometimes we do go live for you to be profitable on your trade, in your trading journey or trading career. So on EU, if you are trading EU, the price found the support at this level. If we look on our left side, we can see that there was something that was happening around this level. So the price came back towards this level. Let me zoom out, zoom in actually. You see what I'm saying? The price respected the area a couple of times. As we can see, there were a couple of touches previously, and now the price is coming back or about to respect this level again. I hope this makes sense to you guys. We can see that it's daily time frame. The price could respect this area and push towards the upside. But remember, there's a channel here, the previous support. This could be our retest. If the price pushed towards the upside, it could be our retest. But if it breaks this level and this diagonal previous support, we could see the price pushing towards the upside. But I'm not trading the EU. I'm just showing you guys what could happen with EU. You might be interested. I'm not trading EU at the moment. Let's go to our most favorite index, NASDAQ. Is this one day? Yes, it's daily time frame. This could be a reversal. if we go to weekly, we will see this as a, there we go, I was about to say, on weekly we can see the price, or we could see the price respecting the level. So this is a weekly chart, but this could be our possible pattern to trade. Your head and shoulder, this could be our neckline. If the price doesn't respect this level, we could see the price pushing towards the downside, but that's something for another week. For now, we just have to focus during this week, we just have to focus at this candlestick, because we are left with 2 days and 6 hours for this candlestick. Excuse me. 2 days and 6 hours for this candlestick to close. I hope it makes sense to you guys. I hope it makes sense to you guys. So ladies and gentlemen, if you like what you see, please don't forget to like the video, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do not hesitate to do so. Just subscribe for you to be able to have this type of information. In the next coming videos, I will be revealing what kind of books that I am reading for me to have. Woo, look at this, bruh. Okay, it's 30 minutes time frame. It's 30 minutes time frame. But if you have been with us for previous minutes, you can tell that I was saying the price would push and break this. The price will respect this demand area and push towards the upside. If it breaks this, we're gonna have to wait for retest and place some buys. This is it might change the direction. Don't take it as a confirmation of the price will push towards the upside. This could be something else. The price could still break, or the price could still push towards the downside. If it breaks this diagonal resistance, let me do it like this for you guys to understand. So ladies and gentlemen, if you want to contact me and have a chat with me personally, we can try to send me an email on trendlinestrader@gmail.com, or you can go to Facebook Trendlines Trader page. You will find me responding to some of the comments there, and you can still use our Instagram page. This is Trendlines Trader. Please do follow us and send us those DMs on this handle right there. Ladies and gentlemen, I really thank you for having time with Trendlines Trader live stream. For having time for the Trendline Trader live stream. It's winter in South Africa and it's getting cold at this present moment, man. It's getting cold and cold and cold. Let me see something here. Please don't hesitate to comment there in the comments down below. We would really love to hear from you guys. We would really love to hear from you guys. This is DJ Trix Walker, also known as DJ Trix Walker. I'm a DJ during the weekends and I'm a live streamer during the weeks. I'm a trader, forex trader, and yeah, that's who I am. Oh, I'm a father, I'm a husband also. If it's something that you should, if it's some of the information that should be out there for you guys to know. Yeah, so this is our price for today. It's not that volatile as it was during those. The price will always be volatile during the opening session, and it will be volatile again during the closing bell time. So the books that I read are, let me just give you let me just tease you. let me just tease you for the next coming videos. In future, I'll be making videos about the books that I am reading. I am reading Naked Forex, and I am reading The Art and Science of Technical Analysis. You guys go look out for those books, or wait for the video, or contact me. I will share with you the the PDF. I like ebooks, man. I like ebooks because with ebooks you can read from your phone while you are in a long distance trip, or while you are in a TV room with the family while they are watching TV. You can just take your phone, read something, catch up if you are left behind. So ladies and gentlemen, let's come back to this. There's this candlestick pattern that is happening. I like what I see. These three candlesticks, they are called three black crow. These are the candlesticks patterns that shows the reversal. Excuse me. I told you it's winter, man, and during the changing seasons like this, my throat is always irritating. I really apologize. So these are the three black crows candlesticks that usually signifies what you call this, a reversal, trend reversal. But now it seems like we are still in 30 minutes time frame, and we are left with 12 minutes for the candle to close. I don't think it will close as a hammer. Okay, this type of candlestick is called hammer. I hope you do know that. I hope you guys do have the information about your candlesticks, bro. Do comment if you would like to see the video of I almost sneezed. Do comment there down below if you would like to see the video of candlesticks. Oh, it's about to be a bearish hammer. I don't think so. I don't think so. Come on, NASDAQ. Okay, let's look at our US30 in the meantime while the NASDAQ is doing your ups and downs right there. It's playing around that area. What is happening today? You know, there are distractions all over. I come across a lot of distractions today. No weapon formed against me shall prosper. I hope that no weapon formed against me shall prosper. My laptops are switching off today, man. What's happening today? Achoo! US30. It seems like it's respecting our setups. Let me go to 4 hourly. 4 hourly time frame reset, and 4 hourly is 240. Yes, 240. Achoo! This is something I've been waiting for, man. This is something I wanted to see, actually. Ladies and gentlemen, look at where is our US30. I'm gonna do this. This is my previous. Gonna do this right here. 4-hourly time frame, the next candlestick, I'm gonna have to do this right here. This level right here looks significant, and I'm gonna have to place my buy stop right here. Excuse me once again. And this one is also significant. I'm gonna place my stop order around here. So this is something that could happen. We could see the USDT reach this level, but it might happen next week. I mean, maybe Friday. But this level right here, it could be our possible take profit. This level right here, it could be our potential take profit of the first potential take profit, maybe possible take profit. Yes, English is not my first language. Anyway, I don't have to explain that. So look at this. I'm gonna place, actually this could be my first. No, I'm gonna do this just right here, and place something like this. Let's see the template, take profit. That's it. This is my take profit. Let me use the big font size so that you can be able to see. It will be my first, and I'm gonna place for this height here. I'm gonna have to place my second take profit. Yeah, second possible take profit, and use the bigger font size. Yeah, this is for the future purpose. A reason why I am placing this buying stop orders, it's because you can see this. Trade right here, trend line right there. This trend line is about to be broken. You can see the rejections. Look at that rejection candlestick that is right here. Look at this candlestick that is about to, this one, it's already having a long week. But if we are left with 1 hour 5 minutes, 1 hour 5 minutes for this candlestick to close, it could close above this level. It could close above this level. 1 hour, it could close above this level. The next candlestick opens from here, and we will be having that. Ta-da! You see, or boom, as they usually say. So this could happen on our US30. One thing I want you to be aware of, if the price breaks this diagonal resistance, we could have something like this thing. But before we push towards the upside, and we're gonna see something like this, your head and shoulder pattern, inverted head and shoulder pattern, or in inverse. Yeah, this is your US30. Okay, let's check our NASDAQ. I guess it's playing around also. I guess it's also playing around, it's still playing around that level. On 4 hourly time frame, we are having a doji. The price is undecided. Let's go to our 30 minutes time frame. The price is still playing around this level. Ladies and gentlemen, I really love what I see on my thumbs. On my YouTube channel, I see few thumbs there. Please don't forget these thumbs. They really push the channel to the level where it can reach other people, so that they could also join us and have a big channel for us to trade or enjoy trading with. So please do not hesitate to press the like button and watching our previous videos and our daily analysis videos. I will try by all means to make sure I upload each and every day, and I do live streams each and every day. I will try by all means. I'm gonna push. I could be late, but I will make sure that I have to do the live. Please don't forget to click the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a video or I go live. And subscribe, those who haven't subscribed. I would like to do more videos in future, especially lessons. If you still have something that you struggle with, ladies and gentlemen, please don't hesitate to comment down below there. Let me know what you would like to see in the channel, which videos you would like me to go through or upload in the future, so that we can be able to have a good nice community in this YouTube thing and help each other with your trades. Even if signals, we can even have time for each other while we are trading. Send signals, especially on Instagram. Let's use the handle that we see right there. Please don't forget to use that handle. Yeah, let's be active, man. Let's grow the channel. Let's make this channel our channel, so that we get to enjoy what we see. The most important thing, let's make money, let's get money, let's grow this channel so that we can be able to trade. That's the most important thing. The subscribes, the likes, they could be important also for the Facebook channel, but for us as individuals, we are looking for money. Yeah, the price is still playing around this area, man. One thing I can tell you is that around the closing bell, that's when, not around the closing bell, what is the time at the moment? It's few minutes, not few minutes actually, just few seconds to 6 p.m. in South Africa time frame, and few seconds to 12 midday in US time frame. So we can see that our Nasdaq is playing around this area because it's during the lunch time in the US. But one thing I can tell you, when it's playing around this area, you could find that the price is about to respect the area. And another thing that I want you guys to be aware of, let me do this. Do you see what I see? Look at this. Is about to, this is what the price is forming at the moment. Do you see what I see? This is the Trend Lines Trader channel, man. We always follow the trend. and that's our slogan also, follow the trend. So this is what we could have. Let's just do this on our chart, and if the price break this diagonal support, we would see our price pushing towards the downside. But we are waiting for the price to break this major or overall diagonal support, or even this one also, before it pushed towards the upside. So if our price comes to this area and breaks this level, it's gone. It's pushing towards the upside. But if it pushed towards the downside, still it's gone. It's pushing towards the downside. I really thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. It's midday in the US, and it's just the evening in the South African Johannesburg time frame, 6 p.m. So let's do this again tomorrow. Those who haven't subscribed, please don't hesitate to subscribe, and please don't hesitate to comment down below there. Let me know what you would like to see happening in the chat. Which videos would you like me to touch on? I'm planning to make a video about the books that I read when it comes to technical analysis. I mentioned 2 books that I'm currently reading. I'm reading Naked Forex. I'm reading The Art and Science of Technical Analysis. Those are the 2 books that I'm reading currently. So I'm planning to reveal some few books that I have been reading. I will make a video about them, and I'm also planning to make a video about the candlestick patterns that we should every trader should know about. If you like to see those videos, ladies and gentlemen, if you like me to make those videos, please do comment down below, and don't hesitate to follow us on that Instagram handle that you see at the top there, and please go through our Facebook page. Facebook page is Trend Lines Trader. Yeah, that's our Facebook page. So for now, I'm just gonna have to leave. Love you, and good night. I thank you. Thank you for watching, those who have been watching. It's hard to say goodbye sometimes, eh? Goodbye, ladies and gentlemen. Please take care and continue reading or researching. Get information about Forex. The broker that I'm using is XM. I'm happy with it for now. The chart that I'm using is Trading View. You can find the link on my description down below there. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. It was lovely to have you today. Let's do this again tomorrow. Tomorrow I will try to be early. I will just have to make sure that everything is smoother than it was today. I thank you. Voila. God bless.